Guys, hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. We are here in the lovely Torquay, guys, to try something new, and that is BTP, Boston Tea Party's new restaurant in Torquay. It's opening next week, guys. We've got a press pass invite to try it out. Jordan's never been, right?
No, I've never been.
So let's go and get some brunch, guys. Just look at this amazing setting that the restaurant overlooks. Absolutely stunning, guys. So let's go and check it out. Come with us. So guys, we're inside the new Boston Tea Party restaurant in Torquay. Showed you some outside stuff earlier. Beautiful location right by the waterfront. It's lovely here actually, 2 floors, complimentary glass of Prosecco and start. It's 11:30 in the morning, it's quite early for alcohol, and we were out last night, but I'm not going to say no to that. So basically today we're trying the food here and the cafe gratis with the code. It's beautiful, thanks Boston Tea Party. And yeah, we've already, I don't know, I'm excited about this brunch. It's a great brunch restaurant.
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
No, I've never been here before.
I've been to Boston Tea Party in Bath, it's like a chain restaurant, so they have them all over the country, but this one, it opens next week. So we're going to review the food in here, guys, show you what's on the menu, and yeah, this beautiful new restaurant. So the menu's all online, guys, all on a QR code.
I might go for a flat white.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I think the concept of ordering at a table is kind of way more acceptable now, isn't it?
Oh, that sounds like your type of thing.
What?
California bowl.
Oh, nice.
Mm.
Anyway, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, BTP. That looks amazing. Smashed peas on sourdough toast, right?
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, we've even got a view of the harbour side.
We do.
Oh. And I've got the West Country breakfast. It's not as big as the boss one, because I'm not a boss. No.
Yeah. Not today, right?
Today. I was yesterday though.
Yeah, you were. Beautiful in Torquay, isn't it? The sun's kind of just gone in, but it's a nice day. We're going to go for a little
one's out as well.
Well, February is quiet. The green one is here. That's very green. And the flat white. The latte art on top, Jordan. Are you impressed?
I am impressed.
Oh, yeah. Look at this thing. Super healthy shake. You're not putting sugar in that, are you?
Yeah.
You're not sweet enough already? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that is fresh.
I don't usually like things green.
It's very healthy. You can tell that's made fresh in here. Wow.
That is quite nice.
Taste the kiwi in it.
Yeah.
The colour, guys, as well. Whoa. I'm absolutely loving that. Jordan is a coffee connoisseur and a chicken connoisseur, I'd say. So,
chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken or coffee.
Fried chicken.
You're all over it. You've messed up the art.
That's nice.
Is it better than the one in the hotel?
Yes.
Which was truly the
Way
worst
better.
coffee I've ever had.
Oh my god, that was so bad.
So guys, we're waiting on the food now. I reckon it's going to be pretty quick because they're on it in here. The service is very good actually. And they keep checking. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy my green drink. Oh guys, food is here. Look at this. Smashed peas, chili, poached eggs. You know they're going to be sexy. You got scrambled eggs?
My favourite eggs.
So we've got here a couple mushies, scrambled eggs, toast, bacon, sausage. That'll sort you out in the morning, right?
How do you like your eggs in the mornings then?
The thing is that they can't tell you because it's a video. You can comment the answer though. Should we do the poached egg test? I know it's going to be good, but I can feel it.
Oh wow.
Oh, hello. Hello. Guys, that egg is incredible. Look at that. The smashed peas are really good flavour. What are you saying? Mid-toast. How was your breakfast, love? Let's crack back on with this.
Father, son, house of Gucci.
BTP though, they took a good poached egg, guys. So let's talk you through what we got here. Alright, crushed peas, chili. There's a hint of, I think, I want to say mint.
Slowly picking it back up again.
DJ Boston Tea Party.
Let's try this sausage then.
What are we saying for the sausage? You like a good sausage, don't you? Is it better than one in a hotel?
You try one.
Let's try that. That's the West Country sausage, I'd say. You ready for it? Oh. Proper gnaw it. Build that butt. I have to say that was really good. Jordan just asked if we could have more free Prosecco, and she went to check with the manager and then said yes. So there we go. Thanks BTP. Great food, good drinks. Cheers. It's still not 12 o'clock, but we're working, so it's fine.
Getting ready for a day of day drinking. Are you ready to be absolutely wasted?
Absolutely twatted. No, we're not doing that. What are your thoughts on the breakfast, darling?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about the restaurant? You like it? Nice floor look. It's a really big space. All nice open plan. Nice view outside. The sea. Beautiful Jordan.
For once, I'm going to be eating all my food.
Whoa.
Sure.
Get that sausage in, love. He's done it. Jordan.
Yeah?
Got a problem.
What's that?
There's not much room on this plate.
You're such a fun guy, aren't you?
Oh, wow. Okay.
But that's such an old joke.
Right. What do you serve but never eat? A tennis ball. Hey, and we're out.
So guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you for the Boston Tea Party for inviting us here. Paying for our food as well. Free Prosecco. Can't go wrong with that.
What do you think of the restaurant?
Really nice actually. And definitely come here again. I would definitely recommend it to people. Like 100%.
Exactly.
Thank you Boston Tea Party for inviting us for this lovely meal and free Prosecco. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Down below, click that bell. And we'll see you in the next video, guys.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.